Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Karmakar's Kitchen, and I'm your host Shruti Karmakar. I welcome you all to my channel. So today I'm going to make chicken nuggets. Yes, you heard it right, chicken nuggets. This is actually very simple, very easy to make at home. This is home style chicken nuggets. So let's see what are the ingredients we need. And before I begin, thank you so much for your love and support. Keep watching my videos and like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. To make chicken nuggets, we have to first prepare the buttermilk for marinade. Here I have taken 1 cup of whole milk, that is full fat milk, and in it I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. You can buy buttermilk from the store, but this is super easy to make at home. Stir gently and let it sit for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the flour mix for coating of nuggets. For this we need half a cup of breadcrumb. Use any breadcrumbs you get from the market. And half a cup of flour or maida. Salt 3/4 teaspoon. Black pepper powder about half teaspoon. Paprika powder half teaspoon. You can replace it with red chili powder. Here I have used smoked paprika. Garlic powder 3/4 teaspoon. Our flour mix is ready. These are the main components of the flour mix, but I wanted to add something more flavorful, so I'm adding dried parsley here. If you can lay hands on dried rosemary or parsley, then do add them, but again, it's totally optional. Meanwhile, our buttermilk is ready. It's been sitting for more than 5 minutes, and now I'm going to prepare the marinade for the chicken pieces. For marinade, I'm adding 1 beaten egg into the buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of salt, paprika powder half teaspoon, and black pepper powder half teaspoon. Mixing it nicely, and our marinade is ready for the chicken pieces. Here I have taken 300 grams of boneless chicken breast and I have cut them into nugget shapes. Now I'm gonna pour the marinade over the chicken pieces. I'm using only half cup of marinade here. The rest of the marinade I'll be using for my baking purposes. So I'm dipping the pieces into the marinade right now and let it sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's time to coat the chicken pieces. Therefore, I'm separating the marinade for repeat coating of chicken pieces. I'm going to double dip the pieces into the marinade. Now follow the steps carefully. First, take a piece and coat with flour and breadcrumb mix. Fill in all the gaps and corners. And then dip into the marinade. And then again repeat the coating. Very gently and very nicely cover all the gaps and corners. The first nugget is ready. Now I'm going to repeat the process and one by one finish off coating all the pieces. Friends, I will give a detailed list of ingredients in the description box for your reference. Nuggets are all set for frying. At this stage, you can keep it in the refrigerator for some later use when you want to treat your guest with some hot fried chicken nuggets. Now I'm adding oil into a frying pan. We need enough oil for deep frying the nuggets. Once it's medium hot, I'm going to drop the pieces one by one. Make sure the temperature is medium hot or it's gonna burn the outer crust of the pieces. Frying batches, and don't overcrowd the pan with chicken pieces or it would lower the temperature of the oil. It's important to maintain the temperature of the oil, and do not touch for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, make some movement in the oil. Splash oil on upper crust of the nuggets and then one by one flip all the pieces upside down. It's imperative to keep the temperature on medium hot and take time in frying the nuggets, or else the inside will remain uncooked. It should take about 15 to 20 minutes to fry each batch. Keep flipping the nuggets time to time. The nuggets have turned nice and brown, and it's time to take them out on a paper towel. Repeat the process and finish up frying the remaining nuggets. This is actually a very simple and easy to make recipe. Do try at home and let me know in the comment box how it turned out. My home style chicken nuggets are done and ready. Surprise your guests, family, friends by making these gorgeous chicken nuggets. Serve hot with barbecue sauce, tomato sauce or honey mustard sauce. So that's it for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and liked the recipe. Please give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with a new recipe next week. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Bye-bye.